All right, hey everyone. So this isn't actually a product that I ever plan on releasing or publishing, but I really couldn't think of a video that I wanted to post, and I've been really wanting to focus in on my demoing skill of software. So this is a side project that I've been working on. I named it Market Pulse, but essentially it's just like a financial dashboard that has a couple cool features and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna take a quick demo and just practice it. I'm gonna try to one take it and um, see how it goes. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, today we're gonna be taking a look at Market Pulse. Market Pulse is a financial dashboard platform that allows you to view different types of data regarding the stock market. To get started for this demo, I'm going to quickly go over each one of the tabs that we see on the left sidebar here. First, we see the newsfeed. The newsfeed is a collection of different news sources all in one single area. Next, moving on to the Markets tab. The Markets tab is a quick view of a select stocks that represent each sector within the stock market. Moving on to the Research tab. The Research tab allows you to view individual stocks and shows different data regarding the stock, and which we'll see in a little bit. And finally, we see here at the bottom the Status tab. So the Status tab just allows you to view the different systems that are connected and making sure to be notified and monitor of any downtime. So going back to the news feed, it's a collection of data from a bunch of different sources. So if we scroll through here, we see that we have Reuters, investing.com, and a whole bunch of different sources. You can quickly filter based on the sector and then further filter based on which source you would like to look. So for this example, we're going to be looking at technology, and let's say we only want to see the ones from investing.com. So there's only one in the current newsfeed, but it allows you to view different news based on what sectors are currently you're interested in. Moving on to the Markets tab, we see that we have the same type of filtering system at the top. If I go over just the major indices, we see that we have a quick view of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, the Dow, and the Russell 2000. If I want to just see the Mag 7, we see the Mag 7 stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Alphabet, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla. So this tab is useful if the user just wants to have a quick view of different stocks regarding a sector. Finally, the most powerful tab of Market Pulse is the individual research section. So this tab allows you to use and conduct research regarding a specific stock ticker. So for this example, I'm going to use Apple. So when I hit Apple and then search, we're prompted with a bunch of information regarding the stock. So we have some basic information like the current market cap, the day high, day low, the 52-week high, 52-week low, P/E ratio, EPS, the beta, and the dividend yield. If we can continue to scroll down, we see that we have a price chart, which goes back to 3-month and 1-month view. If we keep scrolling, we have a fundamentals regarding the stock, which shows different data regarding the company that we're looking at, as well as the profitability, the growth, and we're currently sourcing the analyst consensus from Seeking Alpha or Alpha's API. If we continue to scroll down, we see that we can have a quick view of any news feed or news article regarding this specific stock. So if I click this one here, we see that this is going to be including Apple and maybe different technology stocks. So going back to this tab, we also have an AI analyst feature. This feature is currently being powered by Google Gemini. So if I click Generate AI Analysis, we reach out to Google and provide the data that we've seen down below, and we get a quick view of what we see from the AI analyst. So we see the current position, the fundamentals, and the sentiment outlook. This is useful if you want to do some quick research over the stocks and want to avoid getting lost in the weeds down here. So that wraps up pretty much what the Market Pulse platform is to date. We're currently making new enhancements and building out new features, but I appreciate y'all's time and thank y'all for tuning in and hope to see y'all on the next one.